Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your ultimate destination for the most comprehensive and honest reviews on the latest and most innovative vehicles in the global automotive industry. In today's in-depth review, we bring you the full analysis of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome, a futuristic leap in comfort, performance, and design in the luxury camper segment. Known for its sleek lines, efficient engineering, and user-centric technology, Mazda has crafted something extraordinary with this motorhome, blurring the lines between practicality and premium lifestyle mobility. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome stands out with its aerodynamic yet bold exterior that incorporates Mazda's Kodo design philosophy. From its curved, sculpted body to its advanced lighting signature, the presence of this vehicle on the road is both elegant and commanding. The large grille, adaptive LED matrix headlamps, and 20-inch alloy wheels combine to deliver not just aesthetics, but also enhanced road functionality. Powering the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is a highly refined hybrid powertrain, integrating a 2.5-liter Skyactiv G petrol engine with dual electric motors and an e-Skyactiv battery system. This setup provides a combined output of nearly 320 horsepower, giving it robust acceleration and surprising torque delivery for its class. The motorhome also boasts regenerative braking, 3 driving modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport, and Intelligent Torque, vectoring technology for stable cornering and fuel economy that exceeds 15 km/L, exceptional for a vehicle in this category. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of futuristic tech and warm, natural luxury. The dashboard features a wraparound digital cockpit with dual 12.3-inch screens, wireless smartphone integration, a 3D surround sound Bose audio system, and AI-driven voice assistance. Passengers will enjoy climate-controlled leather recliners, a panoramic sunroof, modular sleeping and seating areas, and smart LED ambient lighting that adapts to the mood and time of day. The Mazda Motorhome is engineered for long-distance comfort. It includes a fully equipped kitchenette with induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, water purification system, and a foldable dining setup. The bathroom unit is compact yet functional, with a Japanese-style auto-sanitizing system, heated shower floor, and eco-water management system that recycles gray water. On the safety and connectivity front, it features Mazda Co-Pilot 360 with radar-guided cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous parking. Satellite GPS, OTA software updates, and 5G connectivity ensure you're always linked to real-time traffic, weather updates, and smart navigation tailored for camper routes. The motorhome supports remote diagnostics, cloud-based user profiles, and remote mobile controls for lighting, air conditioning, and security. It also features solar panel integration on the roof, providing up to 5 kWh backup support and a digital energy manager to track consumption. Mazda also provides multiple trim levels, allowing for custom interior configurations, tech upgrades, luxury seat packages, and off-road add-ons like terrain tires and suspension lift kits. You can choose from vibrant exterior shades such as crystal soul red, titanium gray, snowflake white, and deep blue pearl. Mazda's philosophy of the connection between driver and vehicle truly comes alive in this mobile home. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience tailored for the modern traveler seeking elegance, sustainability, and freedom on the road. Whether for long scenic drives across country landscapes or off-grid weekend adventures, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome delivers everything in one sleek and powerful package. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful and want more deep insights, walkarounds, and comparisons on luxury, electric, and concept vehicles, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. This video was brought to you by Auto Review Pro, your trusted automotive content partner focused on precision reviews, real-world specs, and future-forward mobility coverage. Stay tuned for our next uploads featuring more 2026 models from Toyota, BMW, Honda, and emerging EV motorhomes.